Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. You guys, on this season of Uthando Nesthembu, it seems like the battle of who really was supposed to be or who really is the rightful wife number 2 is going to continue because ngalana uThobile is telling Umselegu, listen, mina I need you to clarify le ndaba yokuthi wena you said ukuthi ngangihlala kini ngiyi-girlfriend. Ngalana uMayeni is saying mina ngakhana nendoda kanti ngikhana indoda ekhiphithile. Ayibo guys, simply in English what Umayeni is saying. Okay, let me start from uThobile. Thobile is saying that Musa, I need you to clarify the whole thing that I was living at your household while I was a girlfriend. Remember uThobile said she was not a girlfriend. When Umayeni got married, she was actually in the picture, giving off vibes as if uThobile was the one who actually was okay with Umayeni getting married as wife number 2. Now, Umayeni is saying, listen, guys, I'm telling myself, hey, I was busy telling myself that I'm getting married to a man. Kanti, I'm busy getting married to a man who's busy cohabiting with a girlfriend. I'm just like, Musa, guys, one thing I've noticed, Musa manje, guys, he's got money and he can afford to do things in a dignified way. But the more I hear stories about Musa's past and the way he started this whole temple game of his, I'm like, I don't think he's different from these Nawetu guys. Because it's looking like Ulokuzana Musa lied to Umayeni. Remember Umayeni already, he married Umusa, married Umatele, while he had already had a child with Umayeni. So he begged Umayeni for a long time. He went to her family. She eventually said yes. So I kind of feel like he could not even bring up the topic to say, actually, Mayeni, there actually is a girlfriend called uThobile, which I've kind of married or I've kind of made advances. So I think he had a conversation with uThobile and explained to Thobile that, listen, this is the situation, and this woman, if there's any other scandals that come out now, she is not going to marry me. So please give me the allowance, give me the permission to marry Umayeni, and then I'm going to take you as the third wife. And I think that's what really happened. So it looks like Ulokuzana Umayeni, she was not aware of any of this, and now it's catching up with Umusa. And the sad part, guys, is that Umusa is still running with the narrative of that uThobile, yes, she was living by the house, but she was a girlfriend. And uThobile is like, no, I was actually not a girlfriend. There was actually some sort of advances and meeting up of families that was done when I was staying at your house. And I'm just like, this man. But anyway, Umayeni goes on to say, like to say, or when they translated it on the trailer, it said Umayeni was saying to Umusa that you've been busy with that poor woman for ages. And guys, uThobile till today, we don't even know who Umusa's dated uThobile at what age. But listen, most of us got our suspicions, which she was underage and she was groomed by Umusa. That's why I'm saying I am getting vibes that Umusa Mselegu, when in his younger days, he was no different from Abotulasi, guys. It's just that he was a hardworking man. He eventually made his millions. And one thing about money, guys, imali has a way of ulvala isazo. Money has a way of concealing embarrassments and making things that are not so cute look as if they are cute. But this season, I'm just like, it looks like the truth is going to come out. It looks like Umayeni this season, guys, she is going to be yapping her way through the season. And listen, last season, Umayeni was going through therapy, guys, and she was quiet and she's speaking riddles. This season, my queen, I'm going to need you to spill the beans. I'm going to need you to spill the beans because there's no reason why you guys are protecting this man at this point. But listen, my question is, why is uThobile, why is uMakhumalo Benumayeni, why do they have beef amongst one another where the beef should be with Umusa? Because clearly the person who was playing with people was Umusa here. Utobile, guys, she allowed it, but I guess Utobile has allowed many things, guys, or it seems like she's allowed many things, but now she's just at a point where she's like, yes, I allowed many things so that my husband can get his vision, but now when my husband is willing to make me and my family look like as if Tina, we don't asinamthetho, because I mean, if a family allows their daughter to go and stay, Ayoki Peter, it does give off those vibes ukuthi nina aninamthetho kini. So guys, Zaibo, the battle between who was made wife first or who's supposed to be a rightful wife number two between Umayeni and Makumalo, it looks like it's going to continue this season. Anyway, guys, tell me, what's your thoughts on this? Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys in the next one.